Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to spray water in seedbed to use spray machine. Finally, I am here and I am loading water in my spray machine. And when will be finish my water loading to my machine, then I will go for spray.
My water loading is done now, and right now I'll go in my seedbed plant. So let's see how to I will spray water in my seedbed plant.
Viewers, this is my seedbed plant and this view is before water spray, and sometime later I will start spray, so let's see. Viewers, look this view after finishing spray water, and thanks for watching this video.